Hello, so now we're going to answer the question, how important is each one of the attributes of this conjoint analysis survey results? A quick recap, we had five attributes, and then we took away the baseline from each of those attributes. We got the data that's with the regression for, we got our regression outputs. These are our part words, which are the coefficients we get from our regression, and we use those part words to answer the question, what will the customer choose, by calculating the value for each of the options and comparing the values. The highest value is what the customer choose. So in this case, customer will choose profile A or package A, which has those elements, those levels of each attribute. And then we said, what happens if we raise the price of profile A of this package from $5, which was the baseline, to $6, which will the customer still choose A? So we changed the value for the price, the level, to 6, and then we said, what will be the new value? And the new value is 3.1, which is still greater than the value of B and C. So the answer was yes. If we increase the price to $6, the customer will still choose A. Now the question is, how important is each one of these attributes? So this is a very important question to decide which one of the attributes is the most important for this particular customer. Is it the drink? Is it the candy? Is it the spread, or the salty snack, or the price? So the way we can decide which one of those five attributes is the most important, we're going to still use those coefficients from the regression, which are our part words. So let's copy them. Let's put them here. And the way we want to think about this is that each attribute is important based on the difference between the worst case of that attribute and the best case of that attribute, or the ranges. So we're going to do ranges. What's the range for each attribute? How much does the value change if we change from the worst to the best case of each attribute? So if you guys remember, this is the drink, and be careful, the range, you're not going to use only the ranges that are here. You have to remember that there is also a baseline range, and that range has coefficient 0. Okay, so we need to add those in order to calculate the range. So for drink, I'm gonna add here I'm gonna add here my baseline. Let's do the baselines here. Let's see, insert. What was the baseline for drink? It was orange juice. And for that, the coefficient was 0. And so the range for drink, okay, let's do drink here, down here. The range for drink will be the maximum minus the minimum of those drink levels. So these are the drink levels. Let's put them in one color, specific color. These are the drinks. So the range is equals max of those three numbers minus, close parenthesis, minus the minimum of those three numbers. Or if we wanted to do this manually, it will be 0 minus negative 3, which is going to be 3. So that's the range for drink. Same thing, we're going to do the range for candy. We had only two levels for candy. So for candy, we had M&M's and Toblerone. Okay, we had, the baseline was Toblerone. And so we're going to put 0 here for Toblerone. And then the range equals the max of those two levels of candy, close parenthesis, minus the min of those two levels of candy, close parenthesis. Okay, so this is the range for candy. Then we do the same thing for spread. So we had 3 levels for spread. We had Nutella, we had pretzels, and we had the base was peanut butter. Okay, so again, this is called this is the spread attribute. So I'm just gonna copy this because it has 3 levels. Make 0 here and copy this, paste here. This is the range for spread. Okay, now we have to do 2 more. Range for salty snack, we have 2 levels, pretzels and chips, which was the baseline. And this is salty snack attribute. And we're gonna put 0 here. And then copy the one that has 2. And then paste it here. So this is the spread for pretzels. And finally, spread for price. So we had 3 levels of price, and the baseline was $5. This is the baseline for price. Okay, so the coefficient is 0 for the baseline. Let's change the format in here just so we have the same nice formats everywhere. See, sorry. Okay, that's alright. Now we have 3 levels. Let's copy this one here, copy it here. Now let's get rid of this line. Let's just do it this way. Now the color, change color for price. So now the question is, which one of those 5 attributes, these are the attributes, is the most important? Okay, this is a very important question. So we're gonna do the percentage of those ranges. That gives me the importance of the attributes. Okay, so attributes importance is just the percentage, like, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add those ranges equals sum of all those ranges, and then the importance of drink is 3 wherever the range over the sum of the ranges. And I'm gonna do fn function f4 to make each whatever the sum fixed. And now I can change that into a percentage. And now I can maybe make it neutral color, just white. And then let's do here, 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 and here. If I add those, sum should be 100% or 1. So now I have those importance. This is the importance of the attributes. So which attributes are the most important here? Drink and price, maybe followed by spread. So if I take those 3 attributes, I'm good to go. The candy and the salty snack are not that important. Thank you.